All right, hello everyone. So I made a slideshow for i81Py for developers. Did this is gonna be getting started, but a series of tutorials on how to develop on this program, and how to eventually make also plugin, but also be able to help on this open source project. So if there is some kind of bug, you could go deeper and see what's going on. All right, so let's go here. This is the repository. All code is open source and can be found on this link. I could show it also. So let's go there. So this is the open source. You have also getting started here, install, how to do it, how to run it on the Windows, Linux. So this is written with Python, so it should work everywhere on each OS, like Windows, Raspberry, Linux, Mac OS. I did this could be also on Android or iPhone, but it's gonna be via web. So you have to make somewhere some server, and then you can access it via web. I will show that also later, but this is a repository and it's open source. Now we have here also the project, so you can go to the projects, and here we have our i81Py version 1.00, and you will see all kind of things that people are working on. So to do, in progress, and done. Same thing for the other version 1.10. Okay, right now there's nothing, but if you want to see some project, you can see it here. All right, so let's get back to the presentation. All right, what kind of skills do you need for this project? All backend code, or all code that has logic, communication with database, and everything is made with Python. So as you can see here, backend is made with Python, but with a framework. It's called Flask. It's a very it's very easy to get started, and framework, and very intuitive. So I think it's a great choice for this project. And then we have a database, also SQLite. It's a ERT relational database design, so you have to know a little bit about relational database design, but we will go also on that later on. And then as a front end, so everything you see on the screen will be developed in front end with Angular on i81Py, but at the plugin level you could choose anything, but we will go there also. All right, for the people who are not familiar with Python, they could go and watch this kind of tutorials. And the other thing after you're done with basics, you could also get on object-oriented programming in Python. So that could, I put some links so you can go and watch them. Of course, if you find any better tutorial, just let me know or share, because many people are learning on different way and there are many tutorials online. So yeah, if you share it, I will also share here with other developers. All right, so we have here getting started with the Flask. Why did I choose for this one? Because Either1Py is made as an API that will communicate with front end. So that's why I choose this one.
What is an API? Well, API stands.
So you could also make a website as, or you can make the Flask as integrated HTML and that kind of stuff. But modern development is usually on API calls. So that's why Isred did choose to work as API and front end as the separate thing, because you could also say, okay, with that API I will develop let's say an app or game of whatever that can talk to the API. So front end visual thing that you see could be anything from Unity, game engine, or Godot, also game engine, or app. So this is great choice, I could say. So to learn the API, I would say watch this tutorial. And okay, let's touch a little bit on it. Here you see the app route and the slash, and if you are on your local host, you could go to this slash in this URL, and then you will get returned home. So the home you will get in the screen. So, and if you understand this kind of this tutorial of 12 minutes, then you can go and start with developing on a Raspberry Pi. No, the Raspberry, sorry, on the Either1Py. Yeah. All right. Let's get back to presentation. So this part is very important to watch some tutorials to get familiar. Then we have database. Database design is also important, and I put some video here. I didn't watch this one, but as I could see, he was talking about the relation between the tables and columns, and that is very important. So if you understand relationships like one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-many, then you understand the database design. Later on, we have here same thing like a database, SQLite, and the Flask API. So as I could see here, she
is called the
developing Flask application.
Move the in-memory list of books and add a new database connection.
And as you can see here, like app.route books, then it will gonna be get or post, and then this will get everything from database and show it in the browser as JSON object or something like that. So after this, you will be ready to participate and to help on this project or to build something new. All right, so yeah, those two are also very important. All right, and then we're gonna go in the next tutorial. I will go with getting started with Iter1Py and setup development environment. And then what we're gonna do is building some simple CRUD system. CRUD means create, read, update, and delete. And then you are familiar with making changes on this Iter1Py, and then you can build whatever you want. All right, and later on in the video I will try to make a plugin. For now I'm building one big plugin, and this is also open source, so you can see the code. But the thing is that I will build some simple plugin, and I will show you what I'm planning to build. This is what I'm planning to build. So she has some EEG here, and as I understand the whole radionics and bioresonance on that kind of stuff, most important is that people who are using it, that they are relaxed, so, or in some kind of state of mind. And with EEG you could get that, and your brain will send signals. Are you relaxed? Are you excited? Are you so this part I'm planning to build live, so you can see how the plugin works. All right, so yeah, let's get to the presentation. And actually this was the end of the presentation, and in the next video I will go on getting started with Iter1Py installation and setup. All right, so till next video.